Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you definition of operating system and the main objectives of operating system. Operating system. An operating system is system software that takes the raw capabilities of the hardware and building a more practical platform for execution of program. The operating system manages hardware resources, provide services for accessing those resources and creates high-level abstractions such as file, directives, and process. An operating system is an integrated set of programs that is used to manage the various resources and overall operation of a computer system. It works as a manager of a company. We can also say that work as government. It can say that it works as mentor, supervisor, controller and master controller program. Its prime objective to improve the performance and efficiency of a computer system and increase facility and ease with the system can be used. For more videos like this, please subscribe. Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video.